Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix alarm no sound in Realme 14T. So let's start the video. First of all, open clock app and then click on alarm. Firstly, here you can enable your alarm. After enable your alarm, then click on your alarm and then click on ringtone. Now here you can set your ringtone as default. If you select none, then select default ringtone. After that, go back to your home screen and open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on system and update. Now on top you can see the option software update. Now click on it and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.